One of the most common questions we get asked is how we put ribbon into the tree. So I'm going to show you a few different techniques in these daily tips on how to do that. Today I'm going to use the cut ribbon. So in this case, I'm cutting a 50 centimeter wide piece of ribbon. The advantage of cutting it is it means that you can spread it around your tree and you don't need as much. So if you don't want to use lots and lots of ribbon, this is a good way to do it. I'll show you other techniques down the track. And all you do in this case is you're going to, I've done one side, you pinch in the end of the ribbon, and then I like to actually put a piece of wire on it and twist it around. So you've got it twisted nice and tight. And then using my little trusty small tree here, when you put the ribbon into the tree, just make sure you can feed it. Oh, you can see that. See how you kind of get a little bit of body to it? So attach it at the top. Hide your tails, so just put that underneath, and then you can twist this around and just put that on there, and that way your ribbon, see how it gives you that extra dimension to your tree, and it means that you can spread your ribbon out throughout your tree. 50 centimeter pieces that are cut. This is our first technique in our daily tips on how to use ribbon in your tree.